Hey, quick update on Codepathfinder. I've added features for Skills and GitHub integration. Let me show you how they work. First up, Skills. I wanted to automate these complicated tasks and make them easy to run. So we can have a user just run a custom workflow with a simple request. Skills are becoming a standard way to wrap up common tasks. I wanted to make them easily shareable too. Second addition is GitHub integration. GitHub commands are now built right into Codepathfinder. When I started implementing skills, I realized that GitHub commands were also important for me. To get this to work, I added the new Skills Builder interface. You can now create, edit, delete skills in the Skills Builder Markdown editor. Allows you to build a set of instructions or context and which tools to use, making it more efficient. Um, I had a bunch of skills that I wanted to use for onboarding to code bases, collecting design docs, writing docs, even observability, security scans, SQL optimization, and others. The cool thing is that you can sync skills with your own GitHub repo. This makes them version controlled, shareable. I can even sync them right to Claude Desktop and any other client that supports skills. You can update them in GitHub and have them updated within the app. Okay, let me show you some examples of how to use skills in the chat interface. You can search and select a skill or ask a question and have the AI pick from the skills you have. For example, documentation writing. You can extract structure from your code and create docs or draft release notes automatically. Or onboarding coach. Ask it to explain a pattern in your code base and it'll walk you through that pattern step by step. You could ask, explain how authentication works, and it'll show you exactly where it's implemented, show you the dependencies, even show you code snippets, explain what they do. For design, you can extract and review the design style from the code base, whether you created it or not, and even extract a design kit set of documentation that you can then export. You can see the recent skills you have used, and they can be selected with just clicking on them. I wanted to make it easy to use skills in the chat interface where you can search skills, pick one, and start asking questions with the right skill and context already loaded. I also wanted to make sure the skills and GitHub features are available to the other apps, like in Claude Desktop, the way that Codepathfinder is. I made the code-based search and skills available via MCP tools, so you can set it up with a simple OAuth connection. And I'm starting to use the faster and cheaper models like Haiku because the context from the code base and the skills keep the task grounded. I haven't tried on a lot of other clients yet, but I know it works well with Claude Desktop and Cursor so far, as well as in internal chat. But the skills and the MCP tools was to have that portability, have it work differently between different clients on different computers, working for different users, with having to do a lot of customizing. Everyone can use whatever client they want. I was just trying to make it efficient, lightweight, and portable, and make it easy to use for even non-developers. So that's kind of the update. I'm building that context engine for code bases that can use any standard skill paired with a direct code access. So teams, developers, non-developers can build workflows once and use them in any client. We're still running in beta on codepathfinder.com. I've got more videos coming that'll dive deeper into specific use cases. If it looks useful, stay tuned. Feel free to sign up for the beta. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.